If you're a content creator, you need to know this AI hack for viral YouTube shorts. Hey there, content creators! Ever wondered how some YouTube shorts just blow up overnight? Well, the secret sauce is AI. Yup, artificial intelligence can be your new best friend in creating viral content. First, let's talk ideas. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm catchy titles and trending topics. Just type in a few keywords and boom, you've got a list of ideas ready to go. Next up, editing. AI-powered apps like InVideo and Magisto can automatically cut and edit your clips to keep them engaging. They can even add cool effects and transitions, making your videos pop. But wait, there's more. Ever struggled with finding the perfect thumbnail? AI can analyze your video and suggest the best frames to use. Tools like Canva use AI to create eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention. Now what about captions? AI can generate accurate captions in a snap. This not only makes your content more accessible, but also boosts engagement. Finally, analytics. AI can help you understand what's working and what's not. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ offer AI-driven insights to optimize your content strategy. So there you have it. From brainstorming to editing, AI has got you covered. Give these tools a try and watch your YouTube shorts go viral. Happy creating!